Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a sleigh. So I'm going to start right here, and I just want to make a line that's going to kind of curve down like this. Then I'm going to make a line that goes straight across. And then I'm going to kind of curve this line up here. I want it to be higher than this part, so I'm going to curve it up here like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that kind of curves in. And then I'm going to draw a line here that kind of curves in as well. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go straight across. And then when I get to this side, I'm just going to kind of curve up like this. Now, right on top of here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around, and I'm just going to retrace this shape that I drew right here. So I'm going to go down, then I'm going to kind of curve up, and I'm just going to follow this whole shape. And when I get to here, I'm just going to end it with like a little curved line. Then right here, I'm going to draw two diagonal lines. And then right over here, I'm going to add two diagonal lines as well. Now, I want to connect this line, so I'm just going to kind of turn my paper so I get a nice straight line. And I'm just going to draw a nice straight line down like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curl around like this. And then I want to do not quite the same curl on the back, but I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to kind of curve up. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of curl around. And I'm going to curve it down to here. And then same thing here, just kind of curl this one back and bring it down. Then I want to connect these lines, so I'm just going to draw a line. I'm going to turn my paper again, and then just draw a nice line that goes down all the way to here. Now, this is just like a basic drawing of a sleigh. There's lots of other things you guys can add to this. So I might want to add a little bag of presents or something. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a big line that's just going to curve up to here. And then I'm going to make another line that just kind of curves right down here. Then I'm going to connect them with a little curved line. And then I'm going to add another curved line right on top of it. Then I want to draw two lines that just go up like this. And then I'm just going to make kind of like a little wavy kind of S-shaped line. Then I'm going to just add a couple little presents in here. I'm just going to make a couple little squares like this with some lines on top of them. Add two little circles on top of them. And then draw some little lines that go up and down for some bows. And then just some lines that just go down. On this little line here for this rope, I'm going to add some little curved lines just to make it look like it's an actual little rope. And then on these little curves, I'm going to add some little lines that just go down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a sleigh. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.